Bienvenidos! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing you what the town of Marana has to offer. We will take a deeper dive into one of the biggest communities in the area, Gladden Farms. I will also be touring two amazing floor plans offered by Meritage Homes. Let's check it out. Marana was named for the Spanish word Marana, meaning thicket, by 19th century railroad workers who had to clear a line through the area. 93 miles south of Phoenix and 22 miles northwest of Tucson. Current population, 45,279. Marana is home to upscale planned communities and hosts weddings, retreats, and prestigious PGA Tour events. The Ritz-Carlton Dove Mountain was named top resorts in Arizona by Travel and Leisure and a Forbes 5-star hotel. Tucson Premium Outlets. Established October 2015, over 360,000 square feet of retail stores, including Saks Fifth Avenue off 5th. $39 million project, located less than 15 minutes from downtown Tucson. Welcome to Gladden Farms. A 1,350-acre master planned community in northern Marana. Welcoming and vibrant community, popular with young families, working professionals, and empty nesters. Over 2,000 happy homeowners, 112 acres of green space featuring 17 parks, 7.7 miles of walking paths and trails, 11 playgrounds, soccer fields, splash pad, and dog park. Nearby award-winning schools. Currently 4 active builders: Meritage Homes, Richmond American Homes, KB Homes, and Centric. Are at the Gladden Farms Community Park and Splash Pad. Kids and families love this park. It offers Little League, diamond, and soccer fields, picnic areas, barbecue stations, and playgrounds. Meritage Homes, established over 30 years ago. Multiple award-winning home builder, first 100% Energy Star national builder, offers over 17 different floor plans, beautiful and modern designs available. Located in 9 states all over the United States, including Arizona, California, and Colorado. Insulated with signature spray foam for noise reduction, climate control, and pest control. Some added features include UV blocking windows and climate sealed home. Today we are touring a new construction Meritage model home in Brookstone at Gladden Farms. This limestone floor plan offers 2,027 square feet, 2-car garage with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an extra flex space or teen space, and an open concept floor plan. Let's check it out. Here we are in Limestone Model, which is one of Meritage Homes' most popular floor plans. And we're gonna start with the first bedroom here, right off the entryway. So this room is really bright and airy with tall ceilings, some natural light from this big window here, which is great. And over here in this corner, we have the guest/office bathroom with a shower tub combo. We're gonna follow back out through the hallway, through the entryway, and from here it leads us into the open concept living to this big, beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, some detailing here with the glass tiles in the background as a backsplash. And we have a nice big walk-in pantry. Lots of room for extra food storage. Nice little coffee area here, or little bar. The really nice shaker style cabinetry. Stainless steel appliances, nice big sink, and dual door refrigerator, which is also stainless steel. And there's a bar here for seating for 3, possibly up to 4 people. To my right here, you would come in through this door. This is the garage door. There's some extra storage here and just a little nook area where you can take off your shoes, put your purses, backpacks. Following down this way, we have the dining area. What's great about this particular model is that it is open concept. So if you're in the kitchen preparing meals, or you have friends over, everyone can kind of see each other, gather together. This is a nice big table, and there's still plenty of room for extra furniture in this area. Leading back this way, we have the living room with the tall ceilings, all the windows, and then the big slider, which leads into the backyard. Following me back this way, to my left here, we have the other restroom, but this one has dual vanities, tub shower combo, nice shaker style cabinetry. This is a little bit darker. And then to my right here, we have a decent sized laundry room. This room is currently being used as a teen space, but as you can see, it has multiple purposes. It can be used as a home office, a game room, an extra space for watching television, a playroom for little kids. It's great because it has a lot of versatility. We'll follow in here into the first, or the second bedroom, I should say. And this one is really nice as well with the tall ceilings. If you look up here, you can see some foam insulation, and what that does, it just helps regulate temperature a lot better, therefore being more energy efficient. We're gonna follow back out from that second bedroom into the flex space, teen space, into the third bedroom, bright and airy, tall ceilings. We're gonna follow back out the hallway into the living room again, and we're gonna go onto the other side where the master bedroom is. Master's a great size, king size bed in here, furniture, beautiful big window following into the master bath. Nice, bright, airy as well, continues with the flow. Dual vanities, dark cabinetry. And then you have a wonderful walk-in closet with lots of space. Now I'm going to show you Festival Floor Plan by Meritage Homes. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, a little bit over 1,500 square feet. Let's check it out. So with this floor plan, the Festival floor plan versus Limestone, which I just showed you, you get a little less square footage, but it's the same idea with the open concept and nice spacious bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. So let's check out the first side of the house here. Going past the kitchen, we're gonna have a look at all the bedrooms. So to my right here, we have the first bedroom, and this bedroom is currently being used as a nursery, which is super cute. It's a good size, tall ceilings, light and airy. feeling. And if we look up there, we could see the foam insulation that is a signature difference for Meritage Homes, which helps with temperature regulation as well as noise control. So if you follow me down this way, we're gonna head down the hallway, and to my right here we have the bathroom, which has a tub and shower combo and a single vanity. To my right here we have the laundry closet, which is great because all the bedrooms are on this side of the house, so it makes it easy to collect laundry and be able to get that done. There's some cabinetry in there for added storage. So if we continue to walk down this hallway, down at the end we have a door which leads into the garage. And then if we follow down this way across the hallway, we go into the second bedroom, which is a nice size room, lots of natural light, the tall ceilings, nice and open and airy feeling as well. Across the way, we'll head into the third bedroom, which is currently being used as an office. Nice size room. This one has a little bit bigger closet with an actual door. This one is right off the front of the house. So if you do work from home, that is really nice because you can see who is approaching. So we're gonna go follow down the hallway again, and we're gonna go back towards the kitchen. And in this kitchen, we have the earthy brown shaker style cabinetry and the beautiful white quartz countertops with some light marbling on there. We have the nice stainless steel appliances, dual sink. So with Meritage Homes, you get basically what you see. So these light fixtures are actually included. So if we continue on this way, we have the dining area, which is really spacious, and it's really nice to be right off the kitchen, which makes it easy to prepare meals and have a sit down with the family, or if you have friends over. Oh, I forgot to point out here with the kitchen island, we have seating for about 4, which is really nice. It's a great spot. Then towards the end of the house here, we have the living space or living area, and the sliders lead into the backyard. And we have a nice recess area. If you follow me down this way, we're gonna go into the master bedroom. This master's great because it has a lot of natural light, kind of goes with the continual flow of the light and airiness, following into the master bath, which has a window, which is always a nice touch, just adds some more natural light. And then the best part about this master is actually here by the master bath, which is the ginormous master closet. This is a substantial size master closet for a smaller square footage. So lots of room for storage. Thank you for joining me and having a look at these lovely models by Meritage Homes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos featuring amazing Arizona properties. See you guys later. Bye. Adios.